Aphorism 26 Organon of medicine. This depends on the following homeopathic law of nature, which was sometimes indeed vaguely surmised, but not until now fully recognized, and to which is due every real cure that has ever taken place. A weaker dynamic affection is permanently extinguished in the living organism by a stronger one if the latter, while differing in kind, is very similar to the former in its manifestations. Footnote 1. Thus are cured both physical affections and moral maladies. How is it that in the early dawn the brilliant Jupiter vanishes from the gaze of the beholder? By a stronger, very similar power acting on the optic nerve, the brightness of approaching day. In situations replete with fated odors, wherewith it is usual to soothe effectively the offended olfactory nerves, with snuff that affects the sense of smell in a similar but stronger manner, no music or sugared cake which act on the nerves of other senses can cure this olfactory disgust. How does the soldier cunningly stifle the piteous cries of him who runs the gauntlet from the ears of the compassionate bystanders? By the shrill notes of the fife commingled with the roll of the noisy drum, and the distant roar of the enemy's cannon that inspires his army with fear, by the loud boom of the big drum. For neither the one nor the other would the distribution of a brilliant piece of uniform nor a reprimand to the regiment suffice. In like manner, mourning and sorrow will be effaced from the mind by the account of another and still greater cause for sorrow happening to another, even though it be a mere fiction. The injurious consequences of too great joy will be removed by drinking coffee, which produces an excessively joyous state of mind. Nations like the Germans, who have for centuries been gradually sinking deeper and deeper in soulless apathy and degrading serfdom, must first be trodden still deeper in the dust by the Western conqueror until the situation become intolerable. The mean opinion of themselves was thereby overstrained and removed. They again become alive to their dignity as men, and then for the first time they raise their heads as Germans.